Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Top Media AI. To begin, first log in to your account. You will then be greeted by the intuitive dashboard, which provides a clear overview of all available tools. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main navigation bar, typically located on the left side or top of your screen. This is where you will access key features like content generation, media editing, and project management. Ensure your profile settings are updated for a personalized experience. Top Media AI offers powerful features to elevate your content. Dive into the AI content generator, where you can input a few keywords and receive a fully drafted article or social media post in mere seconds. Explore the image and video enhancement tools, allowing you to upscale resolutions by up to 4 times or apply professional-grade filters with a single click. Remember to experiment with the tone and style adjustments to perfectly match your brand's voice across all your media. To truly maximize your efficiency, leverage Top Media AI's batch processing capabilities. This allows you to generate or edit multiple pieces of content simultaneously, saving you valuable hours. Consider integrating the platform with your existing content management systems or social media schedulers for a seamless workflow. Access the advanced settings to fine-tune parameters like output length, keyword density, and stylistic nuances, ensuring every piece of content meets your exact specifications and quality standards. For consistent, high-quality results, always provide clear and concise prompts to the AI. Avoid overly vague instructions, which can lead to less relevant outputs. Regularly review and refine the generated content to ensure it aligns perfectly with your objectives. Take advantage of the platform's extensive tutorial library and community forums for ongoing learning and support. By following these best practices, you will unlock the full potential of Top Media AI and produce exceptional media with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.